Here's the VANKYO Leisure 470 portable HD projector. Here's the box when you get it, and just a quick unbox for you. Here's the actual projector unit, and of course it comes with the manual, a couple of the manual, a quick start guide, and it looks like that's a cleaning item. And you do have the power cord and the HDMI plus a remote. So the remote does not come with battery, just so you know. So you have to be ready with like the double A's. And this is the actual projector. It's in white. It's portable. And the maker is VANKYO, VANKYO. And just quickly showing you the parts. Those are the buttons. You have again, the remote does not come with a battery. You have the front of the projector, the lens. It has a kickstand, IR receiver, and that's the bottom part of it. That's where you're gonna find the model number if you need it. So with this one, you can do screen mirroring, just one of the features of it. And here's a quick recommendation when using the VANKYO portable projector. And just showing you, here's a overview of what you're gonna get on the parts, just in case you're curious. You do have that lens, the kickstand, and there's the IR receiver on that part of the projector. And the back, there's an air inlet and the speaker. So you have that built-in speaker. And then you get the power button, the settings, left up, the input source, the back down, and the right. And then on the side is where you're able to attach the USB, the audio in, AV in. There's a power input there, as well as the HDMI input. You can you can put headphones. And there is a quick start guide on your manual, so it's gonna be easy for you to do a quick run on this projector. And there's some quick installation guides on how to turn it on and off. I'm gonna put it on the next video, just quickly showing you. Here's the projector. So instructions are to open the lens before you use it, just in case you forget about it. And I'm just gonna show you a quick connection. That's the power supply or power cord, and then of course you will need that HDMI, so you can connect it to your computer or any item you want to go and connect it with. Again, here's the remote. It does not have a battery, so you might want to grab a battery before you purchase it, because you're not going to be able to use it. Or you can use the buttons on the projector. But here it is for now, just quick unboxing.